The CBK extension identifies a ChessBase opening book file containing chess opening theory databases for computer chess analysis and engine preparation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these chess opening database files. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky CBK errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. CBK files are opening book files for ChessBase containing compiled databases of chess opening variations with move statistics, evaluation scores, and game references. They guide chess engines through opening play and provide opening preparation tools for competitive chess players. ChessBase CBK files use a proprietary binary format, storing move trees with statistical data, including frequency win rates, average ELO ratings, and game count references for each position. They compile opening knowledge from millions of master-level games. To maintain file fidelity, use ChessBase developed by ChessBase GmbH to open CBK. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows cannot make sense of engine-driven formats, so dedicated software must read them. We are performing a vital check of your system's software. Right-click your CBK file and choose Open With. Test with ChessBase first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple compatibility swap. When a CBK file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. When the file is still closed, you're facing one of three standard issues. Let's run through this easy-to-read list of causes and checks. First, using with ChessBase. Open ChessBase and navigate to the opening book settings. Load the CBK file as the active opening book. The book provides move suggestions with statistical data during game analysis and engine preparation. Browse the opening tree to study variation frequencies. Next, engine preparation. Assign the CBK opening book to a chess engine in ChessBase or Fritz. The engine follows book moves during the opening phase, then transitions to independent calculation. Configure book options including randomization and minimum game count thresholds. Finally, creating custom books. Generate custom CBK books in ChessBase from your game databases. Select games and use tools. Then opening book, then create to compile a personalized opening book reflecting your repertoire preferences. Filter by player ELO or tournament level for targeted opening preparation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.